So why Q? Why is it called Q?
Well, I wish we had a really good answer for that.
You have to make
but
one up.
we don't. I know.
Yeah.
That's what I keep telling my dad because everyone asks. But he was driving one day, and we were trying to, after like 2 years trying to figure out a name, and he said, I think Q. And we all told him he was crazy. We're like, why would you pick that? Why would you pick a letter? He's like, I don't know. I just think it's catchy, and I think people are going to say, what is that? Let's go there. And they did. We've kind of used it though, if you look at our menu, the names of our things are Q something.
Q-lated.
So we've embraced it.
Okay.
So we're really big on what we say Q-munity. Being, a family-owned business in a local town, we're really big on that. And so that was kind of fun after we started playing around with it to bring it into words like that.
So it actually worked.
And it caught on.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And so coffee is really something that brings people together. And what have you seen in the time that you've been here? I mean, if you could go in the other room and see how crowded it is, that would probably tell you something. But
it's really cool to be here every day and see the people that come in and out. We've got several local pastors that come here and they meet their youth here. They play chess here, and they're here for hours with them. And it starts with that cup of coffee, and then the next time they meet, they bring board game with them. So it's really fun to be that place that they come and just are connecting with, the people in their lives, youth, anything like that.
they're connecting with each other.
Yeah, it's
human beings. Okay, so you don't have a favorite coffee, right?
I don't. I mean, I just like trying all different. I really like seasonal. So pumpkin spice, I love. Christmas time, I love eggnog lattes. So I'm excited for we're trying to work on a few special holiday drinks. So we'll see.
What are you hoping? What are your plans for Q Emporium?
We don't really know yet. We get asked that, and it's an exciting thing to think about because we don't have, other than just making it successful and for people loving it, we haven't really thought, 5-10 years down the road. Right now, we're just embracing what it is right now.
Day
and
to day.
Living in this excitement.
What's the weirdest coffee request you've ever had?
Okay.
Yeah, I knew
Really
there was
weird.
one. Yeah.
This happened last week. We had a lady that ordered a blue raspberry latte.
Okay.
And it was baby blue, and it smelled like melted candy mixed with coffee, but she loved it. So that's all that matters. But it was very weird.
Listen, thank you for letting us come and hang out at Q Emporium.
Thanks for coming.
Rachel Wilson, you're the manager, so the buck stops with you, right?
Me and my siblings, but
Okay.
yeah.
And you have 4 of them?
There's 4 of us. Only my younger sister is owner, and then my brother-in-law is owner. So we're kind of all.
It's a family affair.
It is.
Who would you like to sit down and okay, don't think too long.
Okay.
Anybody living or dead that you could have a cup of coffee with, who would it be?
This is going to be a really weird answer.
No.
But I would love to have coffee with Paul from the Bible.
Okay.
He's my most favorite.
Okay.
And I guess that's a pastor's daughter answer. I mean, sorry. But it's the truth. It's, so that would be something I would want to do.
Okay. Thank you, Rachel. Cheers.